In this video, I will show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. Now, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your account is a professional account, which mine is. Now, the next thing you have to do is to add to your story. It doesn't really matter what you add to your story, as long as you add something to it. And then hit this icon right here. Tap on Close Friends. Let's say I want to check if this person visits my profile. All I have to do is to tap on this person, hit Done, hit Share, and then the next thing I have to do is to add that story to my highlight. Now, in order to do that, you just have to tap on this story, tap on Highlight, and then add it to another highlight, and name it. Now, all I have to do is to go to my profile, look at that highlight, and you will be able to see who visits your Instagram profile. So that's it.